rice. Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Oh.
So no, don't do that. You can use your hand and you can make rice and you can eat. Yes.
Okay.
Have you never
show
seen
me?
before? Oh, yes, it is.
Break.
Young and
Okay,
fish.
with water.
Okay, eat water. Okay. So, are you full?
Yes, very full.
Okay. How do you think about Laos food?
Oh.
It is very nice.
Very nice.
And the most important for me is I never see about this food before.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I mean the papaya nut and sticky rice.
Okay.
I never see them before.
Oh, we are very if you very busy.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Friends, do you like this girl and your do you like?
No, we don't have any girl here.
Yes. So, do you have that?
In case chúng ta girls they doesn't like face. They like a lot of money.
Wow. Okay, so actually, I don't know. So, what is your job?
I'm designer.
You're designer?
Yes.
Wow, it's great. So, how about you?
I'm a teacher.
Teacher. Yeah. Wow, it's nice. So you teach English?
No, I teach mathematics.
Wow, mathematics.
Yeah.
Wow, it's very great. Okay. So now I think maybe in the evening we should have a party or not.
I think not.
Not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we are so tired.
Oh, yeah.
We should stand some to sleep.
Okay. Okay, maybe we should have robots and yes. So okay,
How about the food?